with the cooler weather coming, I grabbed this Burt Bees Full Bloom Lip Balm set to get ahead of those dry lips. It has the 4 flavors, the original Beeswax, the Dragonfruit Lemon, the Strawberry, and the Tropical Pineapple. These are fresh and fun while still delivering that great Burt Bees classic comfort. As we all know, with this trusted brand, the balm goes on smooth and it keeps our lips soft without feeling waxy. I go back to this brand all the time because of natural ingredients like the beeswax and the vitamin E. It is gentle enough for daily use, even for my teen daughters. And we really like the mix of the fruity and the classic flavors, so we can switch it up, you know, while we keep our lips moisturized. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Perfect seasonal set to keep on hand for the fall. Nourishing, fun flavors, and as always, reliable hydration. Highly recommend.